Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to Just About Things with me. It is 7:15 a.m. right now and I'm ready to leave to the airport as I'm traveling to Sri Lanka for my vacation. My bags are packed and loaded in the car. This is my OOTD for today, going for all black comfortable clothes as I have a long day before I reach my hotel. There was hardly any traffic, reached airport on time, quickly checked in our luggage, completed the security check and headed towards the lounge, had some free breakfast and then started to shop a little at the duty free. I just got some 3 body lotions and then got into the flight. The flight was pretty much full and the turbulence, oh my god, was at the peak. I was so scared throughout the flight. There were so many jerks. I think it was my worst flight ever. And we reached Colombo airport in an hour. Literally, we had already taken a ETA through Make My Trip apps. All we had to do here was just to fill this arrival card, which was available near the immigration counter, and had to give it to the respective counter, and we were out without any hassle. Collected our luggage from the designated baggage. We called the car provider that we had already booked for this trip. We wanted to drive ourselves. So he was ready waiting outside the airport with our nameplate. He got me 2 handmade chains as welcome gesture, which was so sweet. And also he was so polite throughout the process of handling the car to us, explaining the minute details about the car and traffic rules. Also, we could drive the car here because we had applied for driving license through before we landed via this dealer itself, and he had got the permit and insurance details were handy. Thanks to him. It was so damn hot and humid outside. Sitting in an AC car was a bliss. We have booked hotel in Hambantota, which is in the southern coast of Sri Lanka and is 3-hour journey from Colombo, where the flight actually landed. I loved this drive, guys. I can't tell you how much I love this. This was also one of the reasons we took self-driving experience. This was definitely the best decisions because A, we got to experience the highway of this country, which is so damn organized, clean and clear. B, we also got to visit 2 cities of this country, which you'll see in my videos next. The traffic rules were so straight and strict. We were amazed to see other vehicles following the lanes so well. We also saw peacocks and monkeys on the road. We could not find one pothole or plastic or paper or literally any garbage on the. Another cool stuff we could see is we saw kites on the skies which resembled dragons and snakes. Also, the car also had some Chinese language on. Overall, it was a nice drive and we reached our hotel, which is Shangrila Golf Resort, which has an access to ocean. Oh my god, this was an experience altogether. It's such a massive property, feels like it's located end of the world. It's got everything for a peaceful vacation within its boundary. Majority built in wooden antiques, got Sri Lanka culture depicted in every corner. We were welcomed with a welcome drink and taken to our room without any longer wait, which was good. The staff, oh my god, I don't know how, but all of them had a Colgate smile, and you guys, I'm not even kidding. And there we go. Welcome to my room for next few days. We got a room on 4th floor and this is how it looks as you enter. It had a wide, long wardrobe which had iron stand to press our clothes, an umbrella and iron box. Another section was for a lot of storage, which are drawers and lockers for important stuffs. It also had a laundry bag. I have placed the chains I got in airport just not to misplace it. And then comes an area which is opposite to washroom, which you can use it for. I have used it for my trolley and I'm not sure if I'll be taking out clothes and placing it in wardrobe for this trip, but let's see how it goes. Next up is washroom towards right as you enter. It's got a bathtub, other washroom stuffs in it. Love the lighting situation. Perfect for my mirror selfies. I have already placed my toiletries for this trip here, which will be used daily. I love their cane tissue holders and other few things that were placed in the room. We all know hotel bathrooms are so aesthetic, and I personally love hotel bathroom more than bedrooms. I love the shower area, so tiny but perfect. There was hair dryer too, which is important for me because I always dry my hair with a dryer. Trying to act cool here because I don't know what else to do. Let's move on to next now. The highlight of this room is this long mirror, which is why I chose the room in first place. I'm obsessed with long mirror. I have so many in my own house. Then comes the bed area. I am a wooden antique person because I'm from Cork and we love a wood. So this room pretty much had some cool wooden hints here and there. Loved it. It had a wooden lamp, it had a floor lamp, which is kind of similar to what we get in IKEA. The bed and the pillows were no doubt so comfortable with clean white linens on it. It had wooden bed frame. And then comes the TV unit, which was also a hint of wooden in it. Very basic and simple. Had a TV, which we didn't really use at all. Had mini fridge to store things just in case. Also, there was a mug and glass for drinks. And then we had few tea bags, which I definitely finished every bit of it. And then there was a dedicated study or a cute dining area for the two. Next up was this small sitting area inside the room itself where I filmed my previous clothing haul. If you guys have seen it, if you haven't, I will link it down below. Please go and see that. Do check that out. And it was a pretty comfortable seating area. As I had not carried my tripod, I used the round table to keep my phone and shoot. It was perfect. And then comes an area which is And then came the best part, the balcony, which was again not stuffy and small, but pretty spacious, which faced the ocean. Of course, we took ocean view room. It also had a lot of seating options. We almost partied every night here with our speakers. I love hotel curtains too. Now this room is not modern, but it's very antique, middle-aged room. It also not a new property, so you can make out that in some spaces, but amount of area used to make each room is damn spacious and nice. The lighting, air conditioning was up to the mark. We had problem with Wi-Fi speed, but then they fixed it with the call. The room service was good. The food was kind of problem for us because I'm a picky eater and I definitely had a hard time to adjust to the taste. But overall, the entire experience in this resort was amazing. After a long day, we went out for a local restaurant to explore, and as I was not satisfied with the food given there, I called for room service and then called it a day. That is it for today's video, guys. There is a drone shot of this beautiful resort. Hope you enjoy it after this. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, see you. Tada. Bye-bye.